18 great online resources to get your child into science. Online education is booming, which means there has never been a better time to look for websites that will support your child's learning in relation to science. There are thousands to choose from, but here are some top picks. All ages 1. Science Made Simple. http://www.sciencemadesimple.com/ This site has information and science project ideas for children of all ages. 2. Animal Planet. http://www.animalplanet.com/wildanimals/ Students can learn more about their favorite animals and enjoy the criticams bringing them live action at various zoos. 3. Bill Nye. http://billnya.com/?Bill Nye Resource Text equals printable Nye sheet. The site offers a range of worksheets for interesting scientific activities for children of all ages. High School 4. Try Science. http://www.teacherstryscience.org/kids. Try Science has dozens of experiments in areas such as chemistry, biology, math and engineering that can be done online and offline. You can take a virtual field trip to a museum and view animals via a critter cam. Students just have to click on one of the icons to start digging deeper. 5. Science News for Kids. https://www.scienceinforstudents.org/science news for kids helps young people stay up to date on the latest scientific news. Articles can help students understand important topics like climate change, loss of habitat, and why chocolate is so hard to grow. 6. Howstuffworks. https://science.howstuffworks.com/Howstuffworks covers a wide range of fascinating topics, such as UFOs, tornadoes, lunar exploration, and more. It's a fascinating site students are sure to enjoy. 7. Science Toys. http://ctoys.com/ Students can learn how to create a range of gadgets. The items will usually require some inexpensive materials, so plan ahead to make sure the projects get completed properly. 8. The Exploratorium. https://www.exploratorium.edu/education/designing teaching learning tools. The Exploratorium in San Francisco tries to create a hands-on experience of the world around us. They've produced an online version with various activities and a set of teaching resources parents can use with their children. Search for Accidental Scientist to see a range of microscience they have created on topics like gardening and music. 9. NASA. https://www.nasa.gov/audience/for-students/index.html The site offers activities for students K through 12. Students interested in space will love learning more and even helping with NASA's ongoing research. Elementary and middle school education.com. https://www.education.com/resources This site offers a range of free worksheets and activities for K through 5. U.S. Department of Education, helping your child learn science. https://www.ed.gov/parents/academics/help/science/partpg7.html P7 This handy resource pages offers some fun and age-appropriate science work you can with children from pre-K up to grade 5. The Smithsonian Institute. https://www.si.edu/kids This site offers a range of activities for elementary and middle school children, including tracking migratory birds and learning more about habitats. The Dictionary of Units of Measure http://www.unc.edu/tilde-roulette/units/ This will teach students all they need to know about weights and measures around the world. Little Bins for Little Hands https://littlebinsforlittlehands.com/chemistry activities experiments kits/ This site offers a long list of science experiments younger children can do at home, with adult supervision of course. Wonderopolis https://wonderopolis.org/Wonderopolis allows students to explore the world and answer their many questions about science. It also offers interesting exploratory activities, such as what you would pack for a trip into space. National Geographic Kids https://kids.nationalgeographic.com/ This site offers a range of interesting activities for younger children, related to animals, dinosaurs, space and more. Funbrain https://www.funbrain.com/ This site offers a range of activities and videos for grades K through 8. Click on the grade you want on the top navigation bar to get started. Help my kid learn http://www.helpmekidlearn.ie/ Select your child's age range from the top of the page, 0 to 12, and explore the range of activities available in math, science and other subjects. There's a wealth of science resources for kids on the internet. Try these to start with.
I know that you like it like that. I wear designer, check the name on the tag. White fox fur on my jacket. Excuse me, that's a